Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Ford Transit equipped with the BraunAbility power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. You will first open up the doors. You can then use this here to bring it down. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. So this van here is going to have the smart floor. With the smart floor, you can actually put those seats in any position you would like. If you take those seats out, you can fit 2 wheelchairs at the same time. Let's go ahead and make our way. So this is going to come with a 3-passenger bench in the back. And this van here only has 71,000 miles. Go ahead and come back down. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 71,000 miles. You'll also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front, and here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.